All right, friends. So the first thing I'll do is I make sure that the video that I'm going to upload is in my phone. I also make sure that I've already picked up my thumbnail, the one I want to use. And then also I've already figured out the title, the video tags, and what I'm going to say in the description. So I've already done the homework on everything that I'm going to say. So all that's done. Now you want to make sure you have the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app downloaded on your phone. So what I do is I go to YouTube and then I go down here where it has this plus sign at, right here, and I click on that. And then once I click on that, I go to whatever video it is I'm going to upload. So right now, let's say it's gonna be this planner purse that I was gonna do, but I'm not gonna do it now. So I'm not gonna do this video now, but let's click on the video that you're gonna use. Bam, there it is, okay? And then you wanna go down here in the corner where it says next, and you want to click on that. And then once you click on that, you will get this menu that comes up, okay? So right here where it says create a title, you want to go ahead and put the title in there. So you want to call it What's in My Planner Purse. Okay, if you want to use an emoji, that's fine. So put your title in there. What's in my planner purse? So you put the title in. Then you want to go over here where it says add description. And you want to click on that. And then this is where you want to put your description of your, we're going to say of our planner purse. So we'll say, hey, cozy friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you what is in my planner purse. Okay, then if we want to add hashtags in here, you can. So you hashtag, and then the hashtags will pop up. So if you want to use some of those that are popping up, you can use those. You want to scroll down and see what's popping up. Here's planner. I want to use that one, so I'll click on it. And then I'll do another one. Let's see if what's in my bag. So what's in my bag showed up. So if I want to use that one, I'll click on that one. If we want to pick another one, you can say journals. Let's see if that's in there. Okay, so journal is there. Want to use it? Click on it. All right. Then down further, if you want to put in here for business inquiries and collaborations, email at, and then you can put your email in here. You can also, there's a settings in your YouTube Studio where this stuff will be automatically in there. You won't have to type it every time. All right, so you have all your information in your description. So you're good to go. So now what you want to do is hit this back arrow to go back to the menu. Okay, all your stuff's in there. You're good to go. You reread it. check for any spelling errors. So now we're going to hit the back arrow. Okay, that brings us back to this page. For visibility, let's go to visibility. Okay, so if you want to publish it like right now, that's totally on you. You can watch some other videos to see what people are saying about when you set your visibility. You can do the research and go down the rabbit hole on that, because there is a rabbit hole on it. What I do is I hit public, but I schedule it. So right now, I just hit this. I'll schedule it for today. I'll hit OK. And then I'll schedule what time I want it to publish. So 4 p.m. and hit OK. Local time. Okay. Again, I think I talked about this before. Excuse me. Setting it as a premiere. Now, if you're doing a series of something, then you can, if it's the episode 1, then you can do set as premiere. Okay. So we'll go back and hit this arrow button to go back. And I always leave the audience as no, it's not made for kids. Okay, the location, which is next. Click on that, click on USA. Okay, USA, United States of America. Okay, if you want to put this video into a playlist, so we could say add to playlist, hit the plus, then we can go, you can go to your playlist and add it in your playlist. So I would add it in planners and journals for me, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to delete this. So once you put it into your playlist, then you'll just hit done. Okay, and come out of there. For your shorts remixing, I just leave that to allow video and auto remixing. Paid promotion and brands, if you're monetized, you already know what to do in that arena. Invite a collaborator, that's a new feature that YouTube has. I have not researched that, so I don't know. Alter content, you want to click on that. And it'll ask you these questions, and you have to make sure that you read them and understand them. It says, do any of the following describe your content? Does it make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do? Does it alter footage of a real event or place? Does it generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur? All right, so it's a no for me. All right, so once you hit no, if it's yes, then you gotta click yes, because YouTube will find out. So it's a no, and now what we're gonna do is hit this arrow and go back. Next is comments. You wanna leave your comments on. If you wanna cut your comments off, you can do that. We're ready to upload. So you just hit upload. Okay, so now you'll see your video uploading, and it says processing will begin shortly. It'll tell you right here. It says processing up to HD, 3 minutes left. Okay, so you can, just kind of wait for it, watch it, make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. It has this wheel on here that'll show you its progress, so you can watch it, do what it do. It says it has 2 minutes left. And it says almost done. All right, it said checking. There was no issues with it. It's good to go. It processed, and it shows you right here. It says no views. Of course, there's no views because it's not visible to anybody yet. It won't be visible until the date right here, October 9th today at 4 p.m. So it's scheduled to be visible at that time. All right, so you want to go back in here. You want to hit these three dots right here on the side. Hit it, go to edit right here. And then go up here where it shows this little picture with this plus sign. That's to add your thumbnail. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit on that, do a custom thumbnail. So we'll just pick one of these pictures, which is the thumbnail picture that we want to use. We want to kind of center it and crop it so it can fit. And then we want to hit select up here. Okay, now if we wanted to change the thumbnail, say I pick this picture and be like, I don't want my picture up there, I'm just going to take a picture of the bag and put the bag there. Well, then I can go back in here, I can hit change, and I can pick another picture of just the bag. Okay, and I can just show the inside of the bag. All right, so we're going to keep this one, and then we'll hit select up here in the corner. Bam, that's our thumbnail. Now that you have your video in here, it's uploaded, ready to be seen at 4 o'clock today. You want to exit out of here, okay, and go to your YouTube Studio app. Content. And then you want to go to your videos, which you want to pull up your video that you just uploaded, okay? And you want to hit these three little dots that are on the side. You just want to tap on it, and you want to hit edit. Okay, let's go back and do that again. Tap on the three dots, go down here and hit edit. Okay. Now, you see down here where it says, it's showing you your video, your title, your description, your visibility, audience, location, add to playlist, invite a collaborator, alter content. Down here where it says more options, tags, shorts, remixing, category, you want to hit that because we want to add our tags in there. We want to put our video tags in there. So go ahead and hit that. And then go up here to where it says add tags. Okay. And then this is where you'll add your tags. So you'll say planners, journals, and when you add it, you got to hit return. You can say journal junkie, pen junkie. Okay, so add your tags in there. Once you add your tags in, then you want to allow video and audio remixing. We already did that. Pay promotions and brand, we already tracking that. Now here, you want to add what category this is in. So we want to hit that plus sign and put it in whatever category we want it to be in. So how to, people in blogs, whichever we want to use, Okay, so we're going to keep it how to and style. All right, just tap on the screen and it'll go away. Comments we want on. Remember we talked about the standard YouTube license in the MacBook video. So we're gonna leave it on standard YouTube license. That way you have complete control over your video. And then allow embedding, so we're good. So go back up here to more options and hit that arrow button. Okay, we got our tags in there. We're good to go. So we want to hit save. All right, you're good. Now, when your video uploads, once it's uploaded, once it's published, what I do is I go into the video and I'll hit remixing and I'll make a short of it. And then I will post the short, and then I will share my video to my community post. So those are the two things that I do after the video is published. I remix it and make a short, and then I go and I create a post and I share it to my community post. So those are two things I do. And then lately I have been trying to do pin comments. So I will pin a comment on the short and I'll pin a comment on the video. And that's it, cozy friends. That's how I upload my video into YouTube. See ya.